It's so expensive. Con una poca, Still, plus, the couple rugs. Yeah. No, but I tell you, you have Garoda. Really? Garoda. Garoda. What I tell you? But the first, c'est le pas de public. But c'est déjà. Huh? C'est déjà raté. I just got what? Really public. I think it's your church. And it's that. You have to Africa. What? Let's Africa. Hey, you're gonna bet. Gonna know phone. Nzuri na public invitation. Na ni safi. Jamani japo. Hiyo ndio vitu nzuri hapa Watamu.
I love Watamu.
Okay.
I got it. Thank you.
Subscribe to my YouTube. Okay.
This is how Doreen gets new subscribers for our channel.
For all people, 1%.
There's some white people experiencing Boda. Boda is a motorbike. Like a taxi motorbike, yeah. Experiencing Boda for the first time in their life. I've never experienced Boda. No, nor I want to.
I experienced Boda. How we do it. You go to YouTube,
Subscribe.
and you subscribe. There we go. One down.
We travel around
And
the world
subscribe.
looking for subscribers.
Some people are sitting on this sound. There's no way that Garoda. What's the Garoda? That's it.
The road is a little bit bumpy. The video is not going to be good,
What was that?
but
That's it only to get. I think
this is
that's
Kenya,
already.
and
No, no,
everything is good here. So I hope you don't mind.
This place is called Watamu village.
Vatamu selo. Vatamu selo. Vatamu selendra.
Now we're just getting off from the tuk-tuk. As you can see, this is the easiest mode of transport in Watamu. And here we are with our
This is the
Moses.
best looking tuk-tuk and the most spacious tuk-tuk.
Most spacious.
This is
The
Moses.
driver is Moses. If you want
This is
to look in
tuk-tuk.
Watamu, look for Moses, and Moses is
And Moses' number is... Moses, what's your number?
07
07
93
93
54
54
26
26
18.
18.
Yeah, it's my number.
Thank
My
you,
name
Moses.
is Moses. I'm here at Watamu.
Watamu.
Thank you, Moses.
Anywhere you want to go in Watamu,
Yeah.
look for Moses.
Call Moses. Thank you, Moses.
Okay, thank you.